How to save post in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to save a post on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to save a post, simply scroll down to your home feed just like this and simply choose a post where you want to simply save that. Now to save it, simply tap on the three dot lines right here. Now tap on it. Then to save, simply tap on to save option just right here. Now select it. And now you can see the post has been saved. Now do the same process to save the other post just like that. And that's it. This is how you can save a post in Reddit. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.